When you think of Italian food, there's a couple of meals you probably think of immediately. Spaghetti for one, maybe lasagna, but today, we're all about the pizza pie. That's what Chef Joe from Joe's La Roma is here helping us make on Mamma Mia Monday.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
It's a pizza Monday. It's Mamma Mia Pizza Monday today.
I like it. I like it a lot.
And not only that, it's Sicilian pizza. So this is a traditional Sicilian pizza. We start with my dough, which we make from blended flour. So we blend our flour. This is what they call 00 flour. This is 2 types of 00 that we blend. One's a little more for fermenting, and one gives you a little more gluten for a little bit more stretchability.
I got you.
So is that what makes it a Sicilian pizza?
Well, the Sicilian pizza, what makes it is, so as we all know, the round pizza that we eat today is American. Yep. Actually, in Naples, in Italy, in Naples, they do more of a small round, about the size of that peel is what the pizzas are that are round. But in southern Italy, Sicily, we're all about the pan pizza, right?
Yep.
We're the Chicago of pizza. But so what it is it's a different dough.
Okay.
What makes it Sicilian actually is the cooked sauce.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, if you guys want help,
Oh, absolutely.
everybody knows how to knead dough, so we're gonna just go in to out. Just gonna
In to
knead it-
out?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll switch
Okay.
with you.
Oh, okay. Into out.
Yeah, just knead it. You want to kind of just do it evenly. There you go. And it's all about, so this is about 3 pounds of dough that I've let rise for about an hour and a half. You can see, you can feel all the air as you're pushing
Yeah.
it out. And you want to just put it into the pan and form it, and we're going to let it sit for another hour or so.
Oh, really? Does
Yeah.
it rise more during
rises
that hour?
more, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, it looks great.
What do you-
The secret to this is just making sure that you do evenly. So at the end of when you're done, you don't have all your dough pushed up to the crust and nothing in the middle. You guys
Yeah.
are doing great.
Oh,
When I
okay.
do it, I'm
We
gonna
have more
spin that
on
like
one
this.
side than the other,
That's okay.
I
That's
think.
why you just spin it and you keep doing what you're doing.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So it's kind of like that.
Okay.
So pretty much when you stretch it out all the way to the corners, you want to let it rise, and you'll get something that looks like this here.
Oh.
Ooh.
See how it's the same size. So if you have a pizza box, it's going to be like almost
To
as
the
high,
edges? Yeah.
and same size as the pizza box.
Okay.
Very cool.
So what we do there is we're going to put a little bit of the olive oil here, extra virgin olive oil. You can see that I already kind of put a little bit to keep it from drying out. I'm just going to spread that over real quick,
Okay.
Look at this.
just a little bit, and we're going to put a little bit of Pecorino Romano cheese on there,
Oh, even before the sauce.
even before the sauce.
I never think about putting cheese on before
Never.
the sauce.
Between the oil, and that kind of gives you a little separation of a layer there. And then if I don't know if anybody plays poker, you can just deal kind of lands perfect. You deal the cheese on there. So pretty much, this is what you would do
Oh,
all the way through, and then you put sauce on top.
Oh.
that's a lot of cheese.
Well, want to start putting some sauce on there?
do you want to help us? Do you want us to help you
yeah.
deal out the cheese?
Yeah, how about you do
I
that?
promise I won't eat it while I'm dealing it out.
Is there any specific amount of sauce you want on there?
A full ladle, probably 2 of them.
Okay.
And you just want to kind of, it's a family affair, right? You get kids,
Yeah.
everybody
Yeah.
can chip in.
I think some
Lisa?
of my slices are very close to the
They
edge.
they don't all have to touch.
There's no rules.
They're just gonna melt nice and even.
Uh-huh.
You don't put too much cheese because then you're weighing the pizza down.
That's true.
But this is so the difference is Sicilian pizza sauce and regular pizza sauce is Sicilian is cooked. It's a cooked sauce where pizza sauce is usually raw.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So
this-
kind of
I've
like a
cooked-
slow cooked simmer like
right.
you would
So you
a
can see
spaghetti
the olive
sauce?
oil inside this sauce and some chunk tomatoes there. That's the difference.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Interesting. You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
All
You've
right.
done this before. You've done it before with us here.
Hey, here with you. Yes.
That's right. That's right.
Now, with any other pizza, do you offer different toppings?
Sure. So we actually offer any topping for this. We do a combination of cheese or meats and vegetables, or a combination of everything. The works.
Yeah.
But I like plain.
You like
myself.
plain?
I like plain. I'm a New York connoisseur of pizza, and this is how we eat it.
Okay. All right.
So I think we can put this in the oven.
Okay, we're going to take a little break, put that in the oven, come
Like
back, and we are going to continue our Mamma Mia Monday with our Sicilian style pizza from Joe's La Roma. Stick around, DelmarvaLife will be right back. This is where the magic has been happening during the break because our pizza has been here in the oven. And that's what we're making on our Mamma Mia Monday in the DelmarvaLife kitchen with Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma. And we are making a Sicilian style pizza.
That's right. Let's check to see if it's ready.
Okay.
Hopefully. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're good.
It's the DelmarvaLife pizza oven today.
There we go.
Oh, look at all
Look at
that
this
cheese,
thing.
Mike.
Oh, I'm gonna be in
How's that look?
heaven.
I don't think I would want anything
How many
else on
people
that, to
can
be
eat after
honest.
that?
No.
It depends on how hungry you are. So what I did is put a little of this. How's that look?
Oh,
There
that
you
looks
go.
amazing. Wow. And this is one of the pizzas you can get on your Pizza
Yeah,
Tuesday?
so tomorrow's Pizza Tuesday. This has to be a pre-ordered pizza.
Yep,
excuse
there
me.
we go.
A pre-ordered pizza because it does take a little while to make, to rise, so I know how many that we have.
Yeah.
And like I said, you can pre-order this through Facebook tomorrow. We have our Takeout Tuesday.
Oh,
Let's go ahead and cut it.
please.
You hear that? Crispiness.
That's such a good crunch.
That's how you know you got a good pizza.
Yeah. I think all the guys behind the camera,
They're all drooling.
they're all drooling back
I mean,
there.
I'm actually drooling right now too.
I'm cutting smaller pieces.
Aw, enough for everyone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this would a pizza like this will feed a
Well,
family.
you think of a family of 4 at least, right?
Yeah, at least.
Well, it
May
could be a
have a little
family of
leftover.
two, if it's me.
Oh yeah. 4.
I know. I was thinking my husband he would be able to eat at least half of that.
I guess I should get some plates. There we go.
Ah, that looks so good. So how have things been going? How's the summer going?
Things been going well.
Yeah, yeah,
Very well.
yeah.
Hopefully you guys enjoy that. I'll switch with you.
Oh, okay. Do you want an end piece? Or I guess there's no choice at this point.
Where they say corner or the middle.
Corner or the middle?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
the middle.
Here's one on the end.
Here, I'll take that one. Thank you.
I'm going to take the middle there.
Look how stringy this cheese is.
Well, that's it's nice and fresh, right?
Oh my goodness.
We use a whole milk mozzarella blend, so
I didn't really think this through, actually.
it's gonna be it's hard to pick that one up.
No,
right?
I'm going to have to grab a fork here. So remind folks, oh, look, there's no forks. Okay, well,
While you figure that out, I'll try to remind everybody where
where we'll find
Here,
you guys.
cheers.
Cheers.
Pizza Cheers. So we can find us in Fruitland, crossing the Food Line at 213 North Fruitland Boulevard. Like I said, we're open Wednesday through Saturday, but tomorrow's Pizza Tuesday. We do it every other Tuesday, and you can get this at the Roma.
And make sure that you go to your Facebook page. That's where you pre-order.
Pre-order.
Pre-order it, or give us a call, leave us a message on the machine, and we'll call you right back to let you know we got your order.
Uh-huh.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy, just perfect and cheesy. And that sauce is next level.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma.
Thank you for breakfast.
You're welcome.
For dinner.
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 Dinner for
Dinner.
breakfast.
I don't know what
Breakfast.
time it is anymore.
Well, I know what time it is. It's time for us to head over to the Mid-South Audio Stage with one more tune from the folk villain. Stick around, DelmarvaLife will be right back.